Hello, we continue. Consider past paper AASL 2025, question number 3, 7 marks. Let's make short overview what's given in this question. First of all, it is 7 marks and it says compounded quarterly, so it's something about the compound interest, right? And then something with binomial expansion as well. Let's have a read carefully. So we have to find the value of k, and Bob invests 1,000 dinar in an account which pays a nominal annual interest rate of 4% compounded quarterly. The amount of money in the account after one complete year can be written as 1,001 plus k to the 4. Write down the value of k. Okay, so what to do? We know that this is a 4%. We know the formula of simple interest formula, right? So it is simply 1,001 plus interest rate, so r over 100. Okay, and now we are going to plug instead of r, it's our interest rate, which is given as 4%. So it is 4%, and it is compounded quarterly. Yes, so we have to pay attention to quarterly. So it is k here. So that's why we should multiply by 4. So it is the value of k could be found in the brackets. So 1 plus 4 over 4 times 100 to the 4. Okay, so it's 4, it's compounded quarterly, and you see that it says that it's our k. So this k is here, right? So this k is our fraction. Okay, so it means that k is equal to 4 over 400 or 1 over 100. Okay, this is 1 mark. Part A finished. Now let's go to part B. In part B it says expand and simplify, and you see that this question has no relation to the previous one, means that we can even start with this question if you don't know how to solve the part A. Okay, so opening the brackets, how we can open the brackets? There are several ways. We can use Pascal's triangle, or we can make this approach. I will use this approach. So if we will open inner brackets, we'll get 1 plus 2x plus x squared, and then after opening these big brackets, I will get 1 plus 2x squared plus 1 plus 2x times x squared plus x squared. Now let's open all brackets. 4x plus 4x squared plus 2x squared plus 4x cubed and plus x to the 4. And finally, after rearranging and combining like terms, we'll get 1 plus 4x plus 6x squared plus 4x cubed plus x to the 4. So this is how we get another 2 marks. Okay, part B is finished. Now let's turn to part C. Hence or otherwise. So this is a tricky word. Hence or otherwise. It means that using the previous step or somehow else, find the amount of money in the account after one complete year. Giving your answer correct to the nearest dinar. Okay, so how to find this amount using the previous step? Yeah, how to use the previous step? This is a question. Okay, so we know that we have to find the money after one complete year. So it means that we can use the formula of this one. So C, it's equal to future value. Yeah, it's equal to 1,000 times 1 plus 1 over 100, which is k. Remember, this is a k. This is the value of k. Okay, and now we should open the brackets and find the value. Okay, so now it becomes easier. Now 1,000 multiplied by these brackets, so this part is going to be inside our brackets here. Yeah, but instead of x we will put 0, 0, 1, which is, yeah, I will write it here. this equal to this one. That's why we will just plug this decimal. Okay, plus 4 for 0.01 squared and for 0.01 cubed plus 0.01 to the 4. Okay, and now let's calculate. Yeah, so there are 4 marks, so it's about 4 minutes. 0.04 plus 6 times 0.0001 plus 4 times, it's going to be like this, right? And so you see that, yeah, it's multiplication. You see that the last numbers here are not really play the huge role. Yeah. Okay, and that's why we just open the bracket. So 1000 plus 40, right, plus 0.6 plus, so we don't need to multiply this. Okay, so it's tricky step, we don't need it, and so on, because it says to the nearest dinar, so it means that to the nearest whole number. So this amount is equals to that much, right? So if we will round, we will have 1041 dinar, and the remaining part will give us just a decimal that is not will be counted in the final answer. That's how you will get the final answer here. Okay, so watch my next videos, enjoy the past paper, subscribe, and let's make math easier together. Goodbye.